Comments in Webflow let you comment directly on your site, exactly where the feedback belongs. So whether you're reviewing a homepage layout, fine-tuning a CMS page, or just trying to align on which shade of blue actually looks best, you can leave feedback in context and keep the conversation going without leaving Webflow. In this video, we'll walk through everything you need to know to get started with comments. We'll learn who can make a comment, how you make a comment, we'll resolve and filter them, and finally, we'll talk about some advanced workflows. Let's jump right in, starting with who can comment. Basically, everyone. But let's break it down into 3 buckets. First, for people who need to participate in reviews regularly, but don't need to be able to actually make changes on the site. There's the free reviewer seat that allows them to view and comment whenever they want. This might be someone on your leadership team, a client, or other stakeholders who need an account that allows them to jump into Webflow at any time and review pages across the site without the ability to edit anything. Second, for people who may not be regular reviewers, but who need to view and comment on your site on an on and off or occasional basis. Then you can share a comment-only link so they can quickly review your site and leave comments without needing to create a Webflow account. And third, anyone else with a Webflow account can comment on the site. This could be people who have been assigned the designer, marketer, content editor role, or any other seats in Webflow. That's who can comment. Let's go comment. The first thing you'll notice is that comments show up right on the Webflow canvas while you're working. You can hover over someone's comment bubble to preview the comment, or click to reply or react. You can also right-click on the comment bubble to open the menu, giving you a few quick options. To create new comments or to open or close the comment side panel, there are a few ways to do this. You can either click the comment icon on the top bar, which is always visible, or use the keyboard shortcut C. This allows you to toggle in and out of comments. Now that we're commenting, you can add a comment anywhere. Let's say on this image. Just click it, type your comment, extremely valuable feedback obviously, and post it. If you hover over this icon, you'll see the metadata from the user that left the comment, like device and operating system, browser and browser version, and screen size. This can be helpful when trying to quickly identify cross-browser or device-specific issues and to reduce the need for back-and-forth clarifications like what browser and breakpoint were you on when you saw the issues. You also have the option to add a reaction or copy the link to the specific comment that you can share with others for quick access. Now, that comment is tied to that breakpoint and open for a discussion. But if we go over to our tablet breakpoint, it's not there. Click back on the comment, we go back to that breakpoint, back to that specific comment. So if something looks off on tablet or mobile, you can leave a comment for that specific view. On CMS pages, comments are also tied to the individual collection item. So feedback stays in the right place even as you update content. We have this comment, or we can select to see only comments on this CMS item. That's making comments on both a static page and a CMS collection page. Let's resolve the comments. Here on this page, we have a bunch, but this one has been handled. So I'll just click in and give it a quick thumbs up, and then we'll resolve it. That's it. That's resolving a comment. What about filtering? Filtering makes it easier to focus on what you need. A few options here. Only on this page, only for this locale, which means if you're working with a multi-language site, you can filter by locale, and resolved comments. You can have them all selected at the same time or not. It's up to you. And down here, we can choose our email notifications. I'm setting mine to none. But if you want to get all notifications or only when you get a reply or when you're mentioned, you can do that too. That's filtering. Let's look at a quick tip as well as advanced workflows. Starting with a keyboard shortcut. If you want to hide or restore comments from showing up on the canvas while you're working, press Shift-C. Toggle them on and off, on and off, on and off. I could go on and off, but that might be too much. And for advanced workflows, this is where comments really level up, especially for larger teams. You can connect comments to your team's tools using the Webflow API or automation tools like Zapier and Make. That means you can do things like send a Slack message when someone leaves a new comment on a project, or automatically track unresolved feedback in an Asana task. You can even sync important notes to a Notion doc or Jira board, whatever works for your team. And if your team builds with custom code to create things like animations and forms, you can make it so you can see those custom code elements rendered just by toggling on Enable Custom Code on the top left. That way, your team has full context while reviewing to enable better feedback and fewer surprises at launch. But that's it. Let's recap. We showed who can comment, we showed how to comment, we resolved and filtered comments, and finally, we showed some advanced workflows along with one useful tip. That's commenting in Webflow.